Welcome to the Finding Limits Algebraically lesson. The limit is the idea that you are approaching a value, you're getting super duper close to a certain function at a point given. So the limit notation as x approaches 6 and you're given a function, say 3x plus 10. One of the strategies is direct substitution, which is just plugging in for x since you don't have any restrictions. So you could say 3 times 6 plus 10, so that's 18 plus 10, which is 28. Another one, let's do the limit as x approaches 5 has x squared minus 3x minus 10 over x minus 5. So here you see that if you were to do direct substitution, you see that there's 0 over 0. And this is known as the indeterminate form. So then you know once you're in this indeterminate form, this is when you can use a variety of different strategies. So in this case, we know that we can factor, so let's try and do that. So it would be x minus 5, x plus 2, x minus 5. And so these groups were canceling each other. And so the limit as x approaches 5, you always want to bring down the notation until you substitute back in. So x 5 plus 2, and that will give you 7. The final one that we're going to do today is the limit as x approaches 4, the root 16 minus x, and then 4 minus x. So in this case, you would have to actually rationalize, because you know that it's going to be 0 over 0, 4 minus x, so x is 4, 0, and then 0, of course. So you have to do rationalizing. So root 16 plus x, root 16 plus x. You just flip the sign. So if this is positive, you would do a negative, and so on. And vice versa. So in this case, we can do conjugates. So first times first, last times last. So that's just a shortcut because the middle terms will always cancel. So the limit as x approaches 4. So you have 16 minus x squared all over. Let's just reverse this. So x minus 4. And then we have x plus 4. So let's just rewrite that as well. And then let's do the limit as x approaches 4. Let's rewrite this as well. So x squared minus 16 minus x minus 4, x plus 4. And let's just do one last step of factoring. X approaches 4 minus x minus 4, x plus 4 minus x minus 4, x plus 4. All these values cancel. Let me just do a different color. All these values are canceling, so that gives you with 1. So hopefully this video has helped you, and I will see you in the next one.